How to insert picture in another picture in GIMP. First, you need to open the images that you wish to work with. For example, let's just say I wish to add this image to this image here. So first thing you need to do, you need to remove background from this image here. I will leave you a link in the description where I showed you how to remove image background in GIMP. I already did that to speed up the process. So after you remove the background from this image, what you can do is you can click here on File and then you can click here on Export As and export this as a PNG. Or you can simply right click here and then click here on Alpha to Selection. Now I selected this image and now I can simply click on Ctrl C to copy this image, and then I will go back here on this image here and I can click on Ctrl V to paste this image, and I can use this move tool to move this image. For example, something like this. I can also use a scale tool to scale this image here, as you can see, something like this, and I will actually change this so I can move it proportionally, as you can see here. And after you finish, just click here on scale and that's it. Also, you can click here on colors and then click here on hue chroma. And here you can adjust the color so you can actually blend better with the image in the background, okay? You can play with these sliders here, and when you're satisfied how your image is actually looking, all you have to do is just click here on OK and that's it. And after that, just click here on File and then click here on Export and export that image on your desktop.